Hello, y'all. We got a package from the boys. Let's open it together. So we got AirPods Pro. But what happened? Like, wait, did they just trick me, y'all? Oh my God. I cannot believe my eyes right now. Did they just trick me? Anyways, they cute, y'all. I know you're going on vacation for the summer. You're gonna need them, sis. Just click the link in my bio and you will get them. Just go get it, girl. Go get it. It will take me later.
Let me pop off. Leave the club, sloppy drunk, come home and get my rocks off. Her bitch from the south, he tryna see me knock his